Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Today I will show you some of my live purchase. This is some football cards I bought to a French seller. Maybe I overpay a little bit the card, but anyway I will show you the player. This card is a Topps 1966. We have Hal Beauchamp from the Bengals, nice. Isaac Curtis for the Bengals too. Bobby Clark. Oh, I love these cards. They are very beautiful. Ron Pritchard, nice. Jim Leclerc, middle linebacker, nice. Marvin Cobb. Yes. Hesek Johnson for the okay, that's nice. This card is from Topps 1980. Chris Barr for the Bengals. Marvin Cobb for the Bengals. I think I bought some lot about team. Archie Griffin for the Bengals. Billy Brooks for the Bengals, nice. Bo Harris for the Bengals too. Archie Griffin. I love the card, even if they haven't got the NFL license. We have nice. Greg Griffin, nice. Charles Alexander. And now we're going to change of team. It's the Houston Oilers. This is Ronnie Coleman. Curley Culp, oh, very nice this card. Ziki Moore, Carl Mock, center. Skip Butler, Willie Alexander, Don Hardeman, Ron Saul, Toddy Smith, Ken Burrow. That is a four player on the card. We gain Dan Pastorini for the passing, receiving Ken Burrow, Mike Reinfeldt for the defensive interception, 12 interception, yes, and Jesse Baker, 15.5 sacks, very nice. Also for the Jack Tatum for the Houston, Mike Renfro, Mike Barber, Carl Roaches, Vernon Perry, Ken Burrow, Maurice Dunn, Leon Gray, tackle, Greg Stanrick, Rob Carpenter. This guy signed my card, very happy. Greg Bingham again, okay, not the same series, and Carl Mock. I'm very happy about this card, even I don't know a lot about this player, but anyway, that will be added to my collection. Next stack, which team is it? It's for the Washington Redskins. Don Warren, Mike Nelms, Ricky Thompson, wide receiver, Mark Moseley. I'm not sure, but I think it was NFL MVP. On that, it's crazy for a kicker. That is really impossible. I must do more check on the internet. I think he was 1 year in NFL MVP, and that is crazy for a kicker. I think he this kicker, but Mark Murphy, great. Wilbur Jackson, Coy Bacon, Lemar Parrish, Joe Washington, Coy Bacon again, Lemar Parrish, Benny Malone, Roy Jefferson, Dyron Tolbert. I love these tops. It's the Topps 19 77, great. Oh, Harold McClinton, Moses Benson, Jeremy Smith, Dennis Johnson, Mike Thomas, Frank Grant, Mike Bass, Len Hoss, Mike Bright. I don't know a lot of guys, but very happy to discover this player. Brian Selter. Okay, now we're going to change of team. It's the Green Bay Packers. Ray George, Gary Weaver, Dave Beverly, Willie Buchanan. Oh, I think this guy is it's a Hall of Fame player. Nice. This card is 4 player: Willie Buchanan, Ezra Johnson, James Lofton, Terrell Middleton. Nice. Reed George for the Packers, Mike Butler. Nice. David Whitehurst, Eddie Lee Ivory, Lynn Dickey, I think it was a decent quarterback, Paul Kaufman, Chester Markle, Ezra Johnson, and George Camby. Oh, very happy with those cards. Next, another stack. Which team is it? It's John Washington for the Colt, Glenn Doughty, Steve McMayer, Curtis DK, Bruce Laird, Don McCauley, Roger Carr. Oh, I think it was very good, this. Okay. Ed Simoni, Fred Cook, Glenn Doughty, Rick Walk, Lloyd Munford, Tom McLeod, okay, Raymond Chester, Mike Barnes, linebacker Stan. Oh, what is it on the head? Some ink, some red ink. Stan White. Oh, this card is really not centered. Marty Domres, John Dutton, Don McCauley. Nice. Next team is the Rams. Pat Haddon, Ken Hill. We have a duo, Nolan Crowell and Lester Hayes. Nice. Chester Thomas, Frank Corral. Rams team leaders, we get Cullen Bryant, Billy Wadley, Nolan Crowell, and Jake Youngblue. Oh, this guy is a Hall of Famer. Frank Corral, Cullen Bryant, Nolan Crowell, a championships game, Rams nice, Buchanan 0-0, Jim Bertelsen, Tom Dempsey, James Harris, nice, Rich Shaw, Dwan Carroll, Willie Miller, Nolan Crowell, Isaiah Robertson, Dave Helmendorf, Jack Reynolds, and for the Rams, Dennis Ara, Billy Waddy, and Rich Soul. Nice, happy with this. On the last stack, it must be the more expensive. And let's go. I will try what I succeed to get. Okay, this. Okay, that's it for not for this moment. For this card, this Falcon. For player, I don't know nobody. Williams Andrew, Lion Kane, some team leader for the Falcons, Alfred Jackson, Lenny Kane, Jeff Van Note, Steve Bartowski. Oh, I know this guy. I think he was the first overall pick, or first overall pick or something like this. And it was quite good, nice. Wallace Francis, Kenny Johnson, Dave Hampton, Ray Brand, Lynn McCain, Junior Miller. Now, it's my more expensive car about this seller. I don't know if you're going to see well, but okay. It's very funny because the past day I purchased to a German seller some tops 1963. From this French seller, he gets the same series, not the same player, but I will show what I succeed to grab. 1963 tops. Bob Sinclair for the San Francisco 49 Earth. I think he was a very good player. Bernie Casey, Leo Nomellini, nice. G.D. Smith, nice. These 49ers cars are quite in good shape. Heb Woodson, Tommy Davis, Matt Hazeltine. Oh, I remember. I grabbed this guy. I grabbed this card on my last purchase about this German seller. Dan Colchico and Ted Connolly. Okay. For the same seller, I also bought some same card, some Detroit Lion card, but they are less in good shape. Looks to be Roger Brown, Yale Larry, Dick Lane. Oh, I think he was a Hall of Fame player. Dick Train Lane or something like this. He was a very good player about interception. Carl Breitschneider, nice linebacker. Jim Gibbons, Harley Swavel. Oh, this card is really not in good shape. Gail Codhill, something like Codhill. Nick Pietrosante, Dan Lewis, and Will Plump. I will show you just the last card that I bought from this seller. Must to be one of the more beautiful. I will show you. Which year is it? I don't know. Maybe 1968, but not sure. I must to check on the internet. On the last card of my purchase, it's a George Blanda Oakland Raiders card. Oh, very happy with this purchase. I love all the card. This is quite beauty. Very happy with this. I think it's a 1968 card, something like. Not sure. I will check on the internet because I'm really sure. The player, okay, Blanda gets 41 years was he was yet in NFL. It's quite old for a NFL active player. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best. Bye bye.